One of the sort of wise mantras in our office is there's nothing more important than the thing you're doing right now. And I think that's especially true when we're aboard the space station and have the opportunity to perform some incredible experiments on behalf of some amazing principal investigators on the ground.
This is the Human Research Facility rack. What's set up here is a whole bunch of equipment for taking blood. Basically, you put the needle in, and then the tube here, you connect other sample tubes to draw blood for whatever research they have going on that needs blood samples.
We're actually executing over 350 experiments during our 6 months up here on the space station, and right now it's science season. We have so much going on. We're always doing experiments on our own bodies. We're trying to understand how the human body responds to the spaceflight environment, from radiation, being in a apparent microgravity environment, all of those things. But we're also doing a lot of cool technology demonstrations to try to understand how to make our time up here and on future missions more efficient.
I just last week was working on this combustion chamber. It's actually a big chamber that's where we can start fires with a lot of cameras and sensors to totally understand how a fire forms in zero-G. And that's pretty important for understanding how fires propagate on the ground as well.
So what we're doing, we're modifying the material science lab, which is a very nice furnace that we have here on the space station that allows us to go from a rapid cooling rate to now a furnace that goes especially for a very, very slow cooling rate. And that allows us to do a completely different set of experiments.
We're doing a whole bunch of plant research right now, so there's actually 3 active plant experiments going on all simultaneously. One's looking at cotton genes and basically different strains of cotton to make it more drought resistant, and it's kind of like stem cell research except for cotton. Another one is looking at different ways to water plant, and then another one is looking at we have what's called a multi-variable G platform. Our genes change, but also plant genes change, and we're looking at how that changes in different environments.
All right, so today